Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a 2017 Dodge Challenger TA. That's a 5.7 Hemi. We did a set of BBK long tube headers. We also did a BBK throttle body upgrade. Now we've unlocked the ECU via HP tuners, and we're going to be tuning it on the dyno next and showing you what numbers it makes.
Done enough for today. Did what I had to do, and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Chip thrills, chip tricks. It seems like the way to live. Said I should take a picture. Said I should take a TikTok.
Well, there you have it guys. 370 wheel horsepower, 415 foot-pounds of torque. Those are the numbers on the BBK headers, BBK throttle body, and HP tuners custom tune. If you guys are interested in any of these products or custom tuning, feel free to contact us at the office.